What's up guys, it's Mac, and oh man, I am so excited because my friend just gave me one of my holy grail kits. This is the Premium Bandai High Grade Future Century Gundam Maxter. And yeah, he came by today and dropped off this kit as a late birthday, early Christmas present, and oh man, I cannot contain my excitement. Ever since Bandai revealed that they were going to be taking a look at the high grade G Gundam series, I wanted to get every single one, but of course being a premium Bandai, it is hard to come by in the States. Now luckily my friend who actually ordered this kit, I forgot where he ordered it from, he actually had two of them, so he offered to give me one of them. So if you are watching this, thank you so much. This really does mean a lot to me, and I am super excited to build and review this kit. So let's not spend a lot of time and get into the unboxing. So here is the box. As you can tell right away, it is a Premium Bandai by the solid color, and for the Gundam Maxter, they decided to go with this interesting kind of pinkish color. But yeah, so very typical Premium Bandai box. We do get some nice shots of the kit, and the kit doing a nice little punching pose here. Here it is to GF1306NA Gundam Maxter. And yeah, as I said, this is from the Mobile Fighter G Gundam series, which is a show I've talked about a lot on my channel. So if you haven't checked it out, definitely go watch G Gundam. It is one of my favorite series of all times. And yeah, so let's take a look at the side of the box, get some more shots of the kit. We get a standard front shot, a shot of the boxer mode, and all of the accessories, and man, this kit does come with a lot, so we're really excited to get into that. And a nice illustration, so it says, illustration of the unique gimmicks conveyed by series director Yashiro Imigawa. Probably said his name wrong, but there you go, very nice illustration there. And then down here it's showing off the fact that the shield can turn into a surfboard, so there you go. And then here is a rundown of all of the accessories. So it says here, comes of course with the high grade Gundam Maxter. We get the flyer shield, Coriander action base, which yes, this does come with a full-on action base. Gigantic Magnum, interesting, that's what they decided to call as pistols. The punch effects, clear purple, and various joint part sets. So yes, this comes with a lot of cool effect parts. Very excited to get into that. Here is a look on the side of the box, and then on the other side, just get the very typical Premium Bandai's got the name there, and that's about it. So let's get into this bad boy, and oh man, so excited here. So here we go. Here is the first bag. Let's go ahead and take out all the bags, and man, this does come with a good amount of stuff. Ooh, here is all the effect parts. So let's take all this out here, and then we'll go through each bag. And then of course, obviously we got the instruction manual, very plain here as it is a P-Bandai kit, so no cool illustrations or anything like that. But yeah, so let's start here first with the first bag. So first bag, we got mostly parts for the shield, parts for the arms. Looks like we get some of the joint parts here. And then we get some yellow here for the boxer's chest, the V-fin, and some other various parts. Looks like we do have a small sticker sheet, so nothing too crazy. Looks like it's going to be mostly for the eyes, the cameras, and then a few other smaller stickers here and there. So not bad for stickers. So there you go, there's bag number one. Getting into bag number two here, we got most of the joint parts, looks like. So the runner, and then looks like we got the clear action base, and then some white parts for the legs, waist, and various other parts there. So there you go. Ooh, bag three, we get into that awesome looking punching effect part. Look at that, man, that is just so cool looking. And then other than that, we get red runner for, looks like probably feet. This is going to be for the shoulders, I believe, chest, and some other various details. And then the blue runner, we got parts for the head, and just some other smaller blue details there, parts for the arms, looks like. And yeah, so there you go, bag number three. Bag number 4, we got another red runner here. Looks like we've got more parts for the probably coriander, legs, and maybe shoulder there if I had to guess. And then here we get the other white runner for the legs, arms, and everything else there. And then finally, we get to the most exciting bag, in my opinion anyways, is all of the awesome effect parts. And I'm sorry, it looks like this is actually the action base. The other parts were just the optional extension parts, so you can have the armor looks like it's flying off the Gundam. But yes, this is the actual action base. And man, it's so awesome. We get a full-on action base. And let's see. I'm not too sure which version of the action base this is, but I think it's the newest version of it. Looks like it doesn't actually say it on the runner, but yeah, I think this is the newest version of the action base. Well, yeah, it doesn't say, but this says this is from 2017. But yeah, so it'll be my first time building this version of the action base, so it'll be very interesting to see that. And yeah, loving this clear kind of orangish red color, so very cool looking. And then we get into the instruction manual. So we'll take a quick look at this here. Very plain looking front. Let's see, I'm curious if they throw in any artwork at all. Doesn't look like it. Looks like it's just straight to the point. No fancy, you know, arts or anything. Just, yeah. We get double-sided here for the build. We got a rundown of all the parts. So it looks like we got a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11 runners total. Oh, here it is, Action Base 5. So that's what this one is. This is the Action Base 5. And then looks like we do have a lot of parts that are not used here, especially on the B runner. So it looks like not all the joint parts are going to be used, because I believe the B runner was mostly joints. Other than that, everything else is going to be used here. So yeah, let's quickly go through the instruction here. So we're starting off with the body, getting into the head, the arms, legs, pretty standard stuff. Backside is finishing off the leg construction, getting into the waist, and then getting into the action base. And then we get the weapons, gimmicks, all the other cool stuff there. And yeah, so that's about it. Fairly straightforward instruction manual. And yeah, super excited to get into this build. To my friend, if you're watching this, thank you so much, man. As I said, this really does mean a lot to me. I'm super excited to get into this build. Let me know if you're interested in seeing a Let's Build for this kit. I don't know if I will have time to get to that right away, so I might just build it on my own time and then maybe put a review out. But if you are interested in a Let's Build, let me know, and I can see if I can put something together here. So here we go. Let's bring the rest of the bags here, and let's bring in the box here. So there it is, the high-grade Future Century Gundam Maxter. Super excited. And yeah, that's about it for this short little video. Hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, don't forget to give this video a like, leave a comment if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. If you have built this kit, let me know how your experiences are. I've heard nothing but great things about this kit, and really all of the G Gundam kits. So definitely want to try to hunt down the Rose Gundam. I believe the Dragon Gundam just came out, and that looks sick. So definitely want to get the Dragon Gundam, and I'm sure Bolt's going to be coming right around the corner there. So really excited to see the Bolt as well. And obviously with the announcement of the real grade Shining Gundam, my excitement for G Gundam is just off the roofs here. So yeah, a lot of exciting things if you are a G Gundam fan like I am. And yeah, so as always, don't forget to build, play, and display. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.